Today we're working with a really interesting guy. His name is John Combe. He grew up all over the world. His dad was Air Force, and he said that they moved every 2 years.
He has lived in Belize for the last 10 years.
I'm tired of big cities, and I fell in love with the town of Laurel. It's just a place to where I can come and relax and just enjoy life. I've met a lot of nice people. I haven't met a bad one yet. I almost said a bad word. I like around 3,000 square feet, and I need space. I'm getting fat, so I need space, okay? I cook, so I like a really nice kitchen. Fairly modern, but I love the industrial look. Money's not a problem for me. The sky's the limit.
Budget is whatever.
Non-applicable, NA. This is the Walters house. Kay and Lavelle Walters moved here in the late 70s and then lived here for over 30 years.
Cool. It looks big.
It is big.
It is a huge house.
It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,000 square feet, and it's listed for $199,000. So it meets all of your square footage requirements.
I think white is pretty classic for a house in this architectural style, and I'd probably want to keep that. What do you think?
That's fine.
You like
That's
it?
fine.
I think it's cool that it has these symmetrical gables, but the house itself is not symmetrical.
But I love asymmetry, okay?
Yeah?
I'm a little off center.
I hear you.
How's that? I have my moments.
I'm thinking
That's really pretty.
it would be cool if you got rid of the wrought iron and you had simplified square columns on the porch. We paint the window mullions a black so it's like more Spanish colonial style.
That's fine.
Yeah, and then new front doors, double doors instead of a door with 2 side lights.
I need space, girl. That's good.
I know. You were saying you want more elbow room,
Yeah.
and I love a double door. I think that would be
Yes.
gorgeous.
Yeah, so out here, you would be about 15,000.
That's fine.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's fine.
About money.
That's fine.
That's fine.
How about this?
That's cool.
Nice. It's not the same as Belize, but it's kind of a paradise.
It's clear.
Do you swim a lot in Belize?
Yeah, I go out in the sea
Okay.
a lot.
The yard has so much privacy. The
pretty
only
good.
thing it doesn't have, shade. It would be really cool to build a cabana here.
Cool. Yeah, that'd be fine. Oh, wow.
It's a very custom kitchen.
Yes.
It was built in the early 90s, it looks like, if I had to guess. This kitchen's super cool because it has a wet bar. Right now,
Fantastic.
It's a little bit ornamental.
Really?
Yes.
What makes you say that?
It couldn't be the fluted columns. All right.
I don't like the chandelier.
You don't like the chandelier?
No.
You like mirrored backsplash?
That's right top of my list.
What are your thoughts on the crown molding? Because when
I
I think
love
of, you
Do you?
do?
Yes, the crown molding I love.
You do, okay.
And tile, I hate tile
Okay.
with passion.
What if we went through the whole house with white oak floors?
That's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's very particular, and he's not particular at all. That's a hard place to be design-wise.
Love the bathroom.
Yeah.
I can see a telephone.
A
There's
telephone by the toilet?
If you're taking care of business and need to make a few business phone calls.
Oh, perfect. That's past weird. And I'm weird, but this is too weird for me.
At $199,000, that's a good purchase price. All in would be $349,000.
About
Oh, yeah.
$350.
Whatever.
Okay.
That works. That works for me.
You like
Never
that?
heard
like it.
anyone say these things.
I don't like the entryway. I just hate that door. I think it's disgusting. There's like no real curb appeal. But other than that.
Yeah.
Besides
Other than that.
Okay.
Okay. This is what I think would be gorgeous.
Well, that looks like a hell of a lot better.
Yeah.
It does.
The terracotta tile roof would be game changer.
Well, it'd pop it out. I know that.
Yeah, and then just a simple update of the trim color. And the big change, adding a front door in the dining room in the center of the house.
Good.
It's a lot of house. It's
Yes.
5,300 square feet.
There you go.
3 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's listed for $210,000.
I just think this is the most unusual, unique feature I've seen in a
Oh,
house.
this is nice. Is that a loft?
No?
No, this
Nope.
was just, it was a solarium, like a greenhouse,
Oh,
and there were
okay.
plants all over,
Okay.
hanging down.
I love the Saltillo tile floors. I've had it before. I love
Yeah?
it. I like that. Yes,
How
we do.
about this kitchen? You said you like natural wood.
Not that much.
That's a lot of it.
That's a lot of it.
This living room is really
Oh, this
special.
is a nice
huh?
room.
Yeah?
Like the ceilings.
The ceiling,
This is my favorite part
so
about
cool.
this house.
The plaster work is original, so typically I don't love a texture on a ceiling, but here it's made to be
Is
that
that
way.
real plaster?
It is real plaster.
That is cool.
Yeah. Where is the pool, John?
It's at the other house, evidently.
Yeah. I think we need one here.
I think so.
What do you think?
I
Yeah?
think.
A big 12 by 24 pool
With the bar?
with a swim-up bar, maybe a waterfall somewhere.
Waterfall.
I mean, it's fine, right?
It'll work.
It'll work. They've got it listed for $210,000. Everything that we're wanting to do here would come in at about $204,000.
Okay.
So all in would be $414,000.
Nothing to it.
For a 5,300 square foot house.
Nothing to it.
I love this house.
I'm impressed by both of them.
Yeah?
To be
You feel
honest
like
with
you've seen enough?
Yeah.
You been thinking about houses any?
Yes, I have. I picked the Combe house.
The Combe house?
Yeah, the Walters house.
You've already changed the name of it.
Yes.
What was it about the Walters house?
The pool, number one.
Yeah.
It's already there. The living room is spectacular. And stuff. So
So it really is about space for you.
it's about space.
You gonna bring some friends from Belize?
You'll meet them all. Don't
Okay.
You're supposed to say you better Belize it.
worry. Okay, you better believe it.
This house is like the biggest house we've ever worked on. We have never had a budget like this before where it's like, whatever's fine.
What is it? What is the budget? Rarely do we get to work in a house like this. We're usually working in like, you know, a 1,800 square foot craftsman cottage that had one bathroom originally.
And you can only do what you can do with the space that you're given. But with this house, it just kind of sprawls. So it's a job. It's gonna take time. There you go. Oh, is this my hood vent?
Can you tell where the beam is going?
I think it's going here, isn't it? So we're trying to give this whole house a very Spanish colonial design. And this hood vent is what really tells the story in the kitchen.
Do we have the wood for the beam yet?
We do not. We were waiting on to see what y'all want to put up there, if y'all had something for us to
Yeah,
kinda
we need to source
fabricate.
That would be cool to tie it together.
This hood vent sets a watermark for us. We've never done anything like this because we've never had a budget to do anything like this. And this is how I spend money. So the kitchen is gonna be where the drama is. Simplifying, taking away so much trim, and then reversing all of that cream to black is gonna be such a dramatic transformation. John wanted something a little more industrial, and I think this is gonna be like the perfect antidote to all the white we're putting everywhere else in the house. This is the wood floor moment we've been waiting for.
We're doing solid white oak wood flooring.
Woo!
This is some top of the line wood. We can sand this at least 4 or 5 times. It's going to be here forever.
It's gonna be sharp.
Yes.
I love yellow pine flooring, but when you can put solid white oak in a house,
It's so
simple.
pretty. We
Okay.
simplified so much by getting rid of the wrought iron. We lost all the leaded glass, painting out the trim black.
It jumps out.
it does.
It jumps out. I'm like in awe, a little overwhelmed. This
Really?
is fantastic, yes.
Good. Custom vanity, clear coat only, no stain, natural wood.
I'm liking you guys more and more.
Yeah.
This is
Listen.
nice.
This is a dream shower.
This is like, oh, baby.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Oh, baby. Get out. I'm taking one right now. Holy moly. This is incredible.
What do you think?
Incredible.
We had more of the Spanish colonial vibe
Yes.
with the stucco, your stovetop alcove, your beam, the raw wood.
And that makes the whole kitchen.
Yeah, you can do some cooking in here, huh?
Yes, I can. My double ovens. And I love the cupboard colors. It looks bigger now than it did before because normally dark colors just close you in.
But when there's so much white in a house, you gotta have drama somewhere. And it comes in the warmth of wood and copper and your very industrial concrete countertops.
I love these.
It's cool, isn't it?
It is cool. Fantastic.
Will that work?
I think so. It is gorgeous.
Something to remind you of Belize a little bit back here.
I feel like I'm in heaven. How's that? Oh, this is just too cool.
Isn't it cool?
It is just too cool.
Everything here is $349,000. And it's paradise. It's great back here.
It's magnificent. I just love it. And I love the little town of Laurel.